Maden so aka ho dia 2024 abato en found the obi eka inshallah kunumdie be wo mo dia.
We have the message, we have the vision, and we have the record. It is very clear the exhilarating speech that was given by the president at the State of the Nation yesterday. As I listened to him, it was very clear that our government has outperformed the NDC government in every sector. I mean every single sector.
Dr. Alaji Mamadou Baumia eno asem ni orumonyafo oseche mensa bonsu na wono so na odwumade no asibi wono so ekasa ye edibi eka ho ya na woka kirom se dwumade e dia hwe om sa wo mu kwa akodie no eye franka krafo no ne yekoton no wono nko a eno wo mu mani ensine so.
Should I so we are all hearing gathered to contribute our quota to shaping its own vision, clear, and to work towards a common cause of winning the presidential and general elections of December 7th, 2024.
Onmonyafo se chairman sabonsu no e chairman adima manifesto committee na nawie ye mu na chairman strategic ema campaigning no onmonyafo dan kwakubotwa wo ye wokre emra se bedwani so dibi to so se djuma ye de ahye wo mu nsa no wo mu nkoye ni ye sanse ni this for opposition 8 years wo ba won hye de nkura sembia 24-hour economy eni ema nyina bebre nso ye ne dada obi tumi ya amade ye chi kire se wo ni message bia e de magana fo
say, our master no more power 8 years, and I can't force it there. Our man Nadia showing from contract, and I'm a contract 8 years. What enough years Ghana found it two times. Now, I'm so about 10 times. Now, the way you should be a Ghana for a total, and then I debate from between the Ghana for. You should be after 8 years. The one kind of the okay, was it there? Which Sebastian, me sure so so watch it, wake away, no work away, no work away. After 8 years in opposition, all that we have been able to talk about why Ghanaians should give the chance is 24-hour economy, which you cannot even explain, and it doesn't hit anything. So this is the reason why Ghanaians should still remain focused on MPs.
Onimanya for Dan kwakuboche okre emrashe bejani
na dwumadie no achi yenua ba ma kwadwo baafo ya wosi anemu ewo nkramantam wone asamwo jan ya campaign team ono so ka ho eti nkomo.
I feel say I bank as they say why you na ya implementing na bibia dey just a few words I can say talk is cheap and make sure say me and my team structure something that will benefit Ghanaians. Personally, you know, I'm blessed with you. So I'm very grateful for the opportunity to make sure I do help the country. I've been helping the country since I became a Samoan and I'll continue to serve as a true Ghanaian. Ghana for the money area and when it comes to the sports fraternity, football, boxing, Ghana for the so when we be there, when they feel say they can contribute and only personal, they are same for the benefit of all.
Era Samojan Assembly.
Akane National Premise Committee Chairman Ora John Kwesi ya dodo no afrɛ se manoma and waka says the National Peace Council Board Chair Penipa Reverend Dr. Nesedu Jemfi asemu awaka manu krai midumi ntumi kan kwankore so for pani adwemu hwe se bia eniyeme nkoyi ada na manoma ka asem ente saa wo so we papa ne kwan wonam so no ene ni Peace Council na to ano ne dwumadi a wodi wote ase enye ni nyina da ene se onumonyamfo keti amara dansa so kwa emra hye bedwani akoka asem bi se ne personal bodyguard ada na tutenten wo AK47 no akofa etutia na wona na mokwa sanse wo ba so amia ebiri bi atwam Razaka Volia, Ekoka bi ya chiri ni tumudia na chire se papa keti ya mode wo mono mraso ntiase eche no eno ena manoma etwa temu a etise yi.
Last man KTM o make comment bi there why the police no one for AK47 no for pistol or no they make to trust them okay on a revenue DJ fee. And so the last month, or offering the political party no from one day. We share no one junior. And for Sibian, in fact, revenue DJ fee, or the special doctor no Shana Junum, Bonessa Keno. Because we KT Amon, if you trust some castle to them, no care went to invite KT Amon, no one to one cancer KT Amon, or some AK-47. Or Yarika Kaba, Etro Wajikwakum, as Waba from one fat, no for Pistol, one door, now from KT Amon, not smoking. You trust some crowd, peace cancer, no friend. Hey, Katie, I am a nitty musoti. Nimport to them. No, I can't some today. Peace Council, one friend. No, Reverend Eddie Fee. After political parties, Ilutu Anfo. Reverend Pado, your special doctor. No, now Junimpa. Peace Council, do invite IGP. No, invite Katie Amo. No, be Samanano. Why, Yashi, IGP, Wire, Magana, your election year. Next, as cabinet minister, which was for IGP and carry. No, Peace Council, also, why, Robert is in Fabaka Massimia. No, why drink credential.
Yo, mano no, honey.
Yewura ya wono eye panipa edema Nagrat yewura Angel Kabonuna kasai o kyerɛ sɛ aban no ya de bi na me sɛ na adwen hyɛda ɛma so ntebe ya wonya de wo ye no na onane ne ho kakra kyerɛ sɛ wo ba Ghana ha se na ye wo na ye wo schools ahodo pi ene wo ha sɛ wuyi sɛ bia nipa no owo bia senior high school no office senior high school beto aso akonanim akosuapo ahodo ne ade nanso aban na sɛ nani no ehwe senior high school no nko afiri sɛ no ena ye ne policy a wode ba yenti de aka no de asɛ wayi nani e de ama wo mu na eba ne sa no a na ngoma sua no na ka kire
community leaders, church leaders, so that we all sit down and see what type of free senior school system we can talk about. And then again, let us also get it clear. Education in a country is not limited to free, it's not limited to secondaries. More importantly is the provision of public basic school in the various communities. And that public basic school should be school worthy of attending, where we give qualitative education worth its salt. Today, from what we see and what we are experiencing, the public basic schools are getting aground. And they are giving in to business-minded operators in private. And our governments are looking on to allow this dissipation to continue. To go like this, we will be worse off for it in a few years to come.
Yura Angel Kabonu.
Ranking member, Efama Gudiani, I wanted here, as we are yet, and Walker say, John, Gina Paul, ya Pekushegum, Rasebe Janin, or so and nay, and Kaniano said, Yebuni Panwa, Edrum Sonwa, Naban, and Yamaminu, was in Fidie, and Kaniana, what they name, Duduanwa, I at it, dear, a face ya, Rebe top from a Javis Abuagas and Sodia Pompino, and also quite what you be Titirupa, and in the West African gas pipeline. Ya, Fata Cradiaba Tema, near Pompiamo, Munina, and Yabino, and no, and Atiakutum.
In fact, you are shedding load because of two main things. One, plant need to pray old. Tico, a check, Tapco, a check. In the woman, na trepe, and Tapco, a 150. In combined cycle mode. In Tibacco, you lose a lot. Anything you marry by, no. I marry a modular modes. The gas and then also cry, you can run for. But tap for gas and then also, you have to shut down the whole plant. That is one. Two, they don't have money to buy heavy fuel oil. They are shedding load, meaning, like I said, no argument. The last one, yes, a carefully look at development. See, almost all the issues are minority. It takes its stance on the policy way and we've been vindicated. The Japan luxury vehicle tax. Mary, look, EDS. Yeah, mention them. And any time the RPP debt, you can't normally the attempt. We don't read, we don't do this. Dr. Bamia, the account will be incredible. All of them are beginning to show. And you do it, you just do a trend analysis, and you will realize, look, Nyansa, any back of food.
Way a ranking member. Ononya for John Gina Poya Pekushegu Emra Sebejani.
Imani Ghana President Yura Franklin Kujuna Kasa no Water free senior high school Sahudo Ghana Hano. Sawu penny pa akwasra kwadebi e wo school Sahudo ni bi mu abo sankura no. E chese de yedo mu akwanko asomu pa o masetena mu nya kura. Wono de wo kasa beyanka free senior high school na se bia boarding school kura no e beyanka yintwam ne ye no community base ene akura no mfikyire ho na school no e wo no e so koya no obafie okoya no obafie no beboa se yakoboa nkoda na no nyina gu faako na nkoda yi ahokyere aduane obedie kura wo nya yare ahodo ya aban no nhyeda mfa nani enhwe ho no saa de no nya de a ebeboa
digging the borehole. Sometimes you see all these effluents, and I'm like, human beings, if the students sleep in rooms like refugees, I mean, I'm not saying refugees are not humans, but you cannot be given education like this. Education education has to pass through you. To go school, you have to be happy. That was level where I produced we're happy. I mean, the numbers were a little bit, but we could manage it, and it was nice. People felt the school no fire. They said some of them don't even want to go to the school. Look at that girl from Wesley Girls. Maybe whether the headmistress or whatever put her to it. I had information long ago about the near refugee status at Wesley Girls, and it's not just there. So many other places. Why? Why should government be paying electricity for boarding? This boarding thing, I say, you see, I think we should stop it and then build localized schools. Only say Abroche, to say UK. You can only go to school within your precinct, right? So,
Imani Ghana President Franklin Kujo.
Yeah, coffee so head center no water chiman. Emensini no so emu na waye dwumade sunkubi e de aboa a kyerɛkyerɛ kwampa e befa so na madedia ya fufoi wobetumi so esi anon. Madam Lillian eye Adaliba ya wono ye panipa wo bo adwuma head center ho e na fia so MA school fo eto yensa frɛ no wo bra no omo ye nkyɛkyɛ de afa malaria any personal hygiene ho ye maami je bre ekyekye mu papa sɛ de tumi aboa na ya fufu ebetumi atu asie nsunsanso ahu a wobetu American tentem no aba ya asabia nso aba beje ayahye wo se no beboa pa me etumi asi yade ya no okasai obra na nananom ene ade hie nyina da nso ewo bi na wo cheche mu se wei eye dwumadi a wo ya eno beboa ama ya fufu a enam malaria soba no yetumi asi ano kwa
every month
Madam Lillian Adaliba anusemu enye kasiano wasi 21st clinic ya yesiatica expert 15 branches across Ghana ya dia da so no pay to America miso any 5G wo ye ye wo to pon jawade a ebi wase papa emadwumade no so timi e konkai Dr. Silas wona emunti hu na gina ka no na je odi asante ebo Benedict esemu for penny agose Somo Elizabeth Tona wona na betreju afidie na chichinchim so e ma yen ma Kevin boy juma MCR ho school fees so eka ho bie wahene ni amakrancha dozo of mami premier ni mene
nana kwabena kese